Welcome to Wildcat Science with Mrs. Haugo. This is a continuation of Chapter 7, Part 4. We are talking about all the other axial bones. There are the auditory ossicles, which are 3 tiny bones in each middle ear important for hearing. They include the stapes, incus, and malleus. Also, there is the hyoid, which is a U-shaped bone below the mandible, and it is important for the tongue and other muscles to attach here. So let's take a look at the ear and the middle ear, and we can see here's the canal leading to the eardrum, and then there are some little bones right there, and you'll be able to see these better in class. But we have the malleus, incus, and stapes. And looking at a picture closer up, again, we have the external auditory meatus, which becomes the canal, and then you have the tympanic membrane, the eardrum, and then you have your auditory ossicles, the malleus, incus, and stapes, which then lead to the vestibule and cochlea. And looking at a picture of the cranium and vertebral column, we can see the hyoid, which is that U-shaped bone, and it is not actually attached to any other bones, but there are lots of ligaments and tendons that attach there. It's important for the attachment of the epiglottis and the tongue. So looking at a review of what we have done. All right, there's not a great place for me to be, but let's try down here for now. So our view of the axial skeleton, you have the cranium, the facial bones, the cervical, thoracic, lumbar vertebrae, the sacrum and coccyx, and then you have your 12 pairs of ribs, vertebrosternal, vertebrochondral, and vertebral ribs, your sternum, the hyoid, and auditory ossicles. Next up, in our next video, we're going to talk about the appendicular skeleton. See you then. Bye.